Alright, welcome back everyone. Today we are going into something that gives English its natural modern feel. We are talking about phrasal verbs. If you have ever listened to native speakers and felt like their words are glued together, this is what you were hearing. Phrasal verbs can look a bit strange at first, but once you understand how they work, they become very simple. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use them in your everyday conversations without thinking too hard. So what exactly is a phrasal verb? It is simply a main verb combined with a small word like a preposition or an adverb, and that little word changes the meaning. For example, look is a normal verb, but look for means search, look after means take care, and look forward to means feel excited about something that is coming. One small change and the meaning becomes completely different. These phrasal verbs are everywhere in English. You hear them in movies, songs, conversations, messages. If you learn them, you immediately understand a lot more natural English. Now, why are phrasal verbs so important? Because in real life, people almost never use the long formal versions. No one says I will telephone you. They say I will call you up. They do not say please continue. They say go on. Phrasal verbs make your speech sound real relaxed and human. Even learning 10 or 15 of them gives your English a huge boost. Let us look at some common phrasal verbs you can use every single day. Wake up means stop sleeping. Get up means leave the bed. Turn on and turn off means start or stop a machine or device. Pick up means collect someone or something. Give up means quit. Look for means search. Run out of means you have no more left. Call back means return a call. Take off means remove clothing, or it can mean when an airplane leaves the ground. Check in and check out are used at hotels or flights. These are some of the most common ones, and we are going to use them in a short conversation so you can hear how natural they sound. Alright, listen to this simple chat. Hey Ramesh, did you wake up early today? Nope, I got up late, my alarm did not go off. Haha, that happens to me too. Did you look for your charger? Yes, and guess what, I ran out of battery completely. Oh no, did you call back your boss? Yeah, I called him back after charging my phone. Good, are you going to give up your morning exercise routine? No way, I will start again tomorrow, I am not giving up. Nice, by the way, can you pick me up later? Sure, I will pick you up at 6. Great, let me finish my work and then I will check out from the office. Perfect, call me when you are ready. Sure, I will call you back soon. See how natural that sounds. Phrasal verbs fit into daily conversation like they truly belong there. Now let us practice a little. Say your answers out loud. What time do you wake up? What things do you run out of often? Who do you pick up or drop off? When was the last time you had to look for something? Do you give up easily or do you keep trying? Even short answers will help your fluency grow. Before we wrap up, here are some simple tips to learn phrasal verbs faster. Try learning them in groups like travel verbs, home verbs, or work verbs. Learn them with examples so you remember them in context. Use them in your own conversation even if you make mistakes. Do not try to memorize 100 at once. Just 5 a week is enough. And listen to native speakers through movies, podcasts, and videos. When you hear phrasal verbs in action, they stick in your mind naturally. Great job today. Phrasal verbs are powerful tools for sounding natural and confident in English. You do not need to memorize every phrasal verb in the world. Just use a few regularly and your English will slowly become smoother and more fluent. Excellent work today, and I will see you in the next unit.